Burr! Oh my goodness gracious! It is under 70 degrees outside right now, and it's 7:45 a.m. And I know that 70 degrees is probably perfect for a lot of people, but Burr, that's so cold to me. At least I have a Christmas sweater to wear. It'll probably get too hot this afternoon and I'll probably have to take it off and end up wearing the tank top I'm wearing underneath. But, Burr, it's cold this morning. I'm also just a big baby. I don't like the cold at all. I think I talked about that a little bit in my Q&A video. Ooh, wow, beautiful sunrise, look. Hey guys, so my hair is a mess. I have been doing nothing today but editing videos. Amanda came over and picked up her present, and I am taking her to the airport tonight. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to find something fun to video. Hey guys, I am trying really hard to get some video today. I'm really sorry that I am not very good at this and that my hair is such a mess today. Oh, devil horns. Okay, I'm gonna wash the rest of these dishes. It's raining out, but I am just leaving my neighborhood, and there are a couple of houses right here that are pretty. Hey guys, so I totally didn't do anything else tonight. I just opened my advent calendar and I got my M&Ms for the day, so I'm gonna eat these and then I'm gonna go to bed. It's almost 10 o'clock. I just got home not too long ago from taking Amanda to the airport. They are going to the mainland for the holidays. So, I'm really tired. I will see you guys tomorrow. Mele Kalikimaka season. If you guys are enjoying it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to continue following along, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.